I was striking, suave, ambitious, feet to beak, super delicious. Now I'm vile, I am villainous, vicious, oh, and malicious. I had it all, a TV show, women too. I was tall, over 1'2". Then they got a pretty parakeet to fill my shoe. That's why I am so evil, why I do what I do. So young and vital, a South American idol. Who said that about me? I'll have you rotisserie'd.